As far as types of movements, these three movements here that you see here are called full plate movements because you have a full plate covering all the wheels that are inside. So you don't see anything except this wheel spinning around on top. Otherwise you have a full plate going across each one of these. And these are also brass movements. These three here are called three-quarter movements or three-quarter plate movements. They don't fully cover the entire movement, and you see some wheels, as you can see, as compared to our full plate, which you don't see any wheels underneath. This movement here is called a bridge movement. It looks like a series of bridges. Here's another movement, and this one's called a three-finger bridge, and you can see the three fingers. Three-fingered bridge movement. This movement here is an English movement, and it's called an English fusee, F-U-S-E-E. The fusee refers to the gearing inside the movement, which we'll look at later in the course. These three movements have a design applied to the movement plate, which is called Damaskini, or referred to as a Damascene movement. And this is an advertising term that was developed by the American watch factories to embellish the movement plates. Some countries in Europe refer to this as Geneva stripes. Let's take a closer look at these. Here you can see the design in this American-made Elgin watch. And you can see the design work in this Waltham watch, American Waltham watch. And here's an interesting effect on these plates. Here's an example of a full plate Damascene watch from the Duber Watch Company in Canton, Ohio.